If your vocals sound muddy, this is exactly why, and I'm going to show you how to fix it in Pro Tools. What's good? It's bstiggs. Today I'm breaking down how to clean up muddy vocals using my track Trade Lines produced by Willie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So what usually happens is there's too much buildup in the low mids around 200 to 400 hertz. Let me show you what I mean. I'm thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Y'all just trying to get the money, I'm just trying to escape. Every day I take a breath and thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Now I'm going into my EQ and I'm just gonna pull some of that out. I'm thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Y'all just trying to get the money, I'm just trying to escape. Every day I take a breath and thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. I'm thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Y'all just trying to get the money, I'm just trying to escape. Every day I take a breath and thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God. Thanking God for the grace. Right there. You see how that clears up immediately? Grace. Y'all just trying to get the money, I'm just trying to escape. Every day I take a breath and thanking God for the grace. And just so you know, I do have some compression and other processing on here, but this EQ move is what's actually cleaning it up. A lot of people just try to boost before they clean, and that just makes everything worse. Listen to this. I'm gonna play the before and after. I'm thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Y'all just trying to get the money, I'm just trying to escape. Every day I take a breath and thanking God for the grace. Thanking God for the grace. Now it actually sits in the beat. Thanking God for the grace. I'm thanking God for the grace. If you want your vocals sounding clean and professional, I do mixing and I got you. Link in the description. I'm bstiggs. I teach real world vocal mixing for independent artists.